My face gets oily even after washing my face.
It's making my pimples
Puberty
worse.
plus stress equals infinite purgatory of acne. So, it seems many classmates have skin problems.
Their face cleansers just don't seem to suit their needs.
It's very important to use a good face cleanser to protect our skin.
Yes, indeed, especially teenagers during puberty. Acne vulgaris is most prominent among adolescents. Overactive oil glands due to hormonal surges and stress leads to inflammation in skin pores.
You know what? It's time for us to apply and showcase our chemistry knowledge. Let's create the best face cleanser for all teenagers. After 8 long months of testing and research in the lab, may we now present Harmonie, a natural soothing face cleanser specialized for sensitive skin with fragrance. Now, let us introduce the procedures of our face cleanser.
First, place phase A into a beaker and mix well at room temperature. Distill water acts as solvent, while Clayso TST provides viscosity and high transparency. Add phase B until completely dissolved. Planticare 2000 creates perfect synergy of mildness, foam performance, effective cleansing, and dermatological compatibility. Specialized for sensitive skin. LS30 is an excellent foaming agent that exhibits optimum performance at mildly acidic to neutral pH. CFPB makes molecules slippery so large insoluble chunks are eliminated. Glycerin increases skin hydration, relieves dryness, and refreshes skin surface. MAP30K has excellent foaming power, improving cleansing capacity. Amethyst R provides skin conditioning benefits to improve skin texture. MCT protects skin from any foreign microorganism. Jojoba oil moistens skin and relieves dehydrated and ultra-sensitive skin. Then add phase C and mix well until completely dissolved. Propanediol encourages water retention. Then add phase D. Iscalate PEG is a clear, colorless liquid preservative, which can effectively prevent the growth of bacteria, fungi, and molds, and is harmless to human skin. Lastly, add phase C with a dropper. TEA maintains a balanced pH and stabilized emulsion. Now, we are done.
Multiple in-house performance tests have been conducted. First, moisturizing effect. Under the magnification of Max C digital microscope, dry skins are hydrated as flaky skins improve. Over 95.6% of interviewees have reported an alleviation of skin tightness. Second, foaming capacity. Third, cleansing proficiency. Apply cosmetic blush on washcloth. Rub vigorously with Harmonie. Fourth, pH stability. Stability is ensured by placing Harmonie unattended for 3 weeks. Continuous scientific research has indicated a strong link between fragrance and mood. To fully utilize this correlation, citrus fruit extracts are characterized by its zesty and fresh notes inspired by the warm climates during spring and summer. Coupled with warm colored themed packaging design, the user will feel rejuvenated with positivity, energy, and radiating sunshine. Floral fragrances allow the user to relax, relieving anxiety or depression. A cooler tone is used to evoke a sense of tranquility and calmness. When inhaled, the scent molecules and essential oils travel from the olfactory nerves directly to the brain and impact the amygdala, the emotional center of the brain.
It's so refreshing! No more itchiness, no more acne, no more worries. Harmonie, natural soothing face cleanser specialized for sensitive skin with fragrance.